shoes. Shout out to Canada. Shout out to Canada. Shout out to Canada. But today we're gonna do a different video. We're going to do a unboxing of some plain Janes. Some plain Janes. We're gonna do an unboxing of some plain Janes. So let me wash my face because I just got out of bed. Wash my face, brush my teeth, and I'll get right back with you. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm back. I just got finished washing my face, brushing my teeth. I ain't do nothing with the head. Don't mind that. We're here for another reason. We're gonna do an unboxing. So let me get the shoes. And like I said before, these ain't no Yeezys or human races or nothing like that. These are some beginners. I'm gonna see what feedback I get off these, and then I'll do my Yeezys. I'll do my human races. I'll do some other stuff as I get more shoes and stuff. But this gonna be just a filler. So make sure you give me feedback in the comment, like the video, comment, share, and I'll give you more information about the Yeezy giveaway and maybe an iPhone giveaway. Stay tuned. So we have the Yeezy. If I say Yeezys later, hopefully, but we have the. I'm gonna just show you. Get this out. Alright. We have the Uggs. Let me see if I can get better lighting. Get better lighting right there. Shout out to Noxzema. It's a sponsor. It's like ain't no sponsor around here. We ain't like that. We ain't like that yet. Soon though, soon. I believe in my subscribers. I believe in the sub gang. I believe in KNA worldwide. But yeah, the Ugg logo for men. As you can tell, these are Uggs. Oh, my bad. Yeah. Simple unboxing, but there you go. Alright. It came with a card. I have wore these before, so keep in mind on that one. I have wore these. It did come with a Ugg little card right here. I'm gonna go some information about Uggs, evolution. Don't care. Here for the shoes. Right. Yes, I did get the black colorway. Here. I wore these one time. But yeah, all black Uggs. What's going on right there? But all black Uggs. Fur on the inside. Feels so good on the feet. Ugg logo. Got the Ugg logo on the bottom. Still clean. Yes sir, yes sir. Yeah. It's a plain shoe, but it's subtle, but yet says a lot at the same time. You gotta wear these loose lace. I wear mine's loose lace. You don't have to, but wear these loose lace, look better. I usually wear these with slim fit jeans. I'm gonna show you the jeans I usually wear with these. Shout out to Hot Cheetos. I usually wear them with my bikers. You can wear with your bikers, or you can wear them with your light bikers. It don't matter. But yeah, put those up. Yeah, but it's a simple shoe. Nice simple shoe. Subtle fur. Inside feel really, really good. The quality on this shoe is excellent, excellent. But yeah, I've been wanting these shoes for a good minute and I just got them. Shout out to Asian on those. But yeah, that's it for the UGG unboxing. And about the Yeezy giveaway, all of our videos have to reach 100 plus, 500 subs. You already know this. But our videos are getting up there, but we still haven't reached 500 subs yet. So soon as we reach 500 subs, I'm going to start the Yeezy giveaway. But I do have the surprise for you guys. If I get 1,000 subs by my birthday, March 25th, I will give away, wait for it, iPhone 7. Now, I know you're probably wondering, oh, Kendra, that's the one you already got. Well, it's not. The way my plan is set up, I do have a buy one, get one free. So that's the free one that I got. But I was going to sell it actually. But since you guys are so loyal and whatnot, and y'all subscribed, might as well give it away. So, but that's only if I get 1,000 subs before March 25th, which is my birthday. That'd be a nice birthday present. But 1,000 subs by March 25th, and I'll include the iPhone 7 Plus. But that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and get this video to 100 plus views. Maybe, let's say 20 likes, and I'll do another unboxing of maybe some Yeezys. Show you in depth of what my Yeezy collection looking like. That'd be about it. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and catch you guys next time. Maybe with ACN. Maybe. Peace.